Hi guys, it's Melanie and welcome to today's video. It is the beginning of the year and there's no better way to start off a year than getting productive and checking some things off your to-do list. I have a growing laundry list of things that I've been wanting to do, whether it's cleaning and organizing or small tasks, daily tasks, or these little ones that I've just been putting off for so long. And today we're gonna bite the bullet and we're gonna get a lot of things done. So if you're in the mood to be productive, then just keep watching. The first thing we do to start off any productivity session is, of course, making a to-do list. So I'm just gonna get everything out on paper and write down everything with my little check boxes that I want to get done in the next couple of days. Finished writing out my little list, made a long list, and then I also sectioned it off into what I want to get done specifically today. I feel like that always helps me break things down and I feel a lot more accomplished than when I just have one large list and I just check things off. I feel like I can't really rest until I check everything off, so that's why I like to split it up. What I want to do today is, for starters, laundry. I want to clean my desk area and also organize it because it is messy after Christmas. I just shove things into drawers, which is not my proudest trait. Then I want to clean some mason jars so that I can use them for coffee cups. I have a little obsession with jars and I kind of hoard them, but then I always put off cleaning them because I hate cleaning the labels off. So I've actually been putting that off genuinely like since I started collecting my jars here. So I'm gonna get that done today. I think I'll be feeling so accomplished if I get just that done. Then I want to order some kitchen organization supplies. Mainly, I want to get some organizational stuff for my spices, which is definitely a want, not a need, but I have been wanting to do this for a long time too. So I figured we might as well do it in an organizational video. For the rest of the week, I want to fill the spice jars, duh. I want to organize my kitchen, specifically the snacks. Guys, it's really bad. I've been living here way too long to have like no organization system in the kitchen. Clean out the closet. I try to do this pretty frequently, but I definitely want to do one every time the year ends. And then I want to also reorganize the bathroom and also reorganize and clean the big floating shelves right above me. But that is it for my list right now. So let's get started for today. First item checked off. My apologies about the washer noise in the background, but I'm currently working on the one that I am dreading the most, at least the one that I put off for the longest, which is cleaning these jars. I narrowed it down to 3 because I already have way too many jars, but I'm just a sucker for a cute jar. This is from Red Onions, but like imagine drinking coffee out of this skinny little guy. Or like this one from Pasta Sauce has this pretty floral. I love mason jars for anything. Making chia pudding, drinking my fun little drink. My mom, actually, she loves doing this to her jars. She sent me a thorough email about how to do this because she does this all the time at home. I am gonna attempt it. I probably won't be able to do it as well as she does it, but it seems like there's kind of a lot of steps. There's 2. Feels like I'm cooking. Right now I'm just boiling water with vinegar and dish soap in it. We're gonna soak all of the jars in it for 15 minutes. letting the mason jars all rest. I'm gonna try to scrub it later tonight so that they're all clean and don't have that like weird residue stuff on it. Here are my jars right now. I'm going to do a little search on Amazon because I'm looking for some stuff to help me organize my pantries, because my pantries are not very organized at all. This is where we keep our spices right now, which is fine, but I want to put them in like cohesive little glass jars. This is the worst one. This just progressively got worse and worse. Been a little bit. I did a bunch of measuring and counting, and I think I decided what I'm gonna order for my organization later this week. I'll link all of these items down below if you're interested in any of them. These, which are so unnecessary, but little spice jars. I love the wooden tops to make them uniform. It comes with different stickers, but I don't really like either of them very much, so I think I'm gonna handwrite it on some black washi tape. Big pack of shelves. I'm gonna get a 6-pack so that I can use some of it in the bathroom, and then for the snack cabinets and also our other cabinets. Honestly, I think every single cabinet we have could use one of these. I looked at my to-do list and I totally forgot that I wanted to clean my desk today, and I really wanted to flake out of doing it, but you're being productive and I have to be accountable because I'm filming it. So I'm gonna go do a quick clean of my desk. I actually don't think it should take too long, but I do want to sort through especially my cords and stuff, and I need to dust it because it gets so dusty in there. So we've made it over to the bedroom. I'll show you what my desk area is looking like right now. It's a pretty crammed space because we fit our desk like at the foot of the bed, so it's kind of difficult to film in here, which is probably why you rarely ever see it. Also, the lighting is very bad in this room and specifically at my desk, but I just got a lamp I'm using right now and I love it, so it's been helping a lot with lighting. Anyway, my desk doesn't look terrible, but it's dusty, so I need to dust it. And I just have, the thing is, it only has 3 tiny drawers, but I feel like I still somehow managed to make them all junk drawers. Has been a couple days, but my order came in. It's been a little bit delayed because I was silly and I shipped all of the stuff to my home in Washington instead of my apartment. So we're delayed a little bit, but these are the shelves I got to organize my cabinets. So we're gonna start doing that right now. Alright guys, I finished cleaning out the main cabinet that I was most concerned about, which is where all of our snacks are, and this is what it is looking like now. I ended up using only one of the shelves in the back there, you can see, and then the other side is kind of like bigger snacks that are still full. This basket is like sweeter snacks, and this one is more like savory crackers. I know it still doesn't look super organized and clean, but honestly, it's way better than it was before. I hate cleaning that one out, but I'm really glad that we did. Hi guys, it's a couple days later and I didn't do a lot of organizing that last time I saw you, but I'm planning on finishing pretty much all of it today or using up the rest of these little shelves that I ordered. I have, I think, 2 more like cabinets in the kitchen that I mainly want to organize. I have a couple things that I want to relocate into like different jars. The rest of like the seasonings I want to organize tomorrow. I do think I'm gonna use one of the shelves to organize our bathroom cabinets too, because it's kind of messy in there and I hate organizing that section. It's gonna feel so good when it's done. So let's tackle these cabinets right now. Know you're short when you have to have a step stool in your kitchen at all times because you can't reach the second shelf. I just finished all of my organization for the day. I just want to do a little check-in to see where I am with all of my goals for cleaning because I think some things might have changed a little bit. I'm hoping to finish off my entire checklist by tomorrow. So let's just see where we're at. So far on my cleaning and organization list, I cleaned those mason jars, I did laundry, and I cleaned and organized my whole desk area on that first day. Today, I was able to organize all of the kitchen cabinets and finish that up. And then I also organized under my bathroom sink, which I'm so glad I did. It feels so much better. Now, all that I have left really for tomorrow is filling the spice jars, which I feel like will be my final satisfying activity. I already had so much fun filling up some of my reusable mason jars and stuff. And the other thing I want to do is sort through my closet. The last thing that I had on my list was to reorganize these floating shelves, but I honestly think I'm gonna cross that one off because the one thing that I wanted to add up there, I realized I'm gonna be filming like a DIY reel for it that I'm not ready for yet. That's the only real adjustment, but I'm feeling pretty good about our list and like I've gotten a good amount done. Hello guys, it's a new day. I am super excited because we are finally using my seasoning organization kit. I will link this in the description. This is super unnecessary, but I'm actually very excited for this. This is gonna make me just feel better about myself. The kit I got also came with different label options, but I'm not a fan of either of them. So what I'm gonna do is just use some black washi tape and a chalk marker and just handwrite all of them because I like handwritten stuff. And I already started doing that on some of my other jars for like my chia seeds and stuff that I showed you guys. This is where we keep our seasonings right now. I like using this as our seasoning rack because you can see everything rather than having them like stacked or kept back here. I think they're very accessible. One thing is that they don't really fit super well since they're all different brands. So sometimes we're kind of like playing Tetris over here. I also just think it would be nice if they were in these square bottles and nicely organized in here. I think it would be easier to read and see them. Plus I've just been wanting to do it for like no reason at all. I just like how they look. Before I get started with filling them with the seasonings, I'm going to wash them first. So I'm just loading them all in the dishwasher, and then after that we will be able to fill them. I was getting a bit ahead of myself. I was just very excited. As you can hear by the ruckus, jars are getting washed right now in the dishwasher. I just finished hand washing like all of the caps and lids, which was, I'm sure, super fun for you guys to watch. But right now I think I'm gonna get a little head start on making the labels so I have them all ready once the containers are dry. And then all I'll have to do is fill them and attach the labels. I like doing this part. Label making is very fun to me. Hello guys, and welcome to my closet. In my defense, it is a shared closet. Guys, I don't know why. This is the part I've been dreading the most. I think it's because I know deep down I don't really want to get rid of anything, but because I'm keeping myself accountable and filming it, I'm definitely gonna have to like actually go through it and get rid of some stuff. So plan is to look through everything, make a pile of stuff to donate, pile of stuff to sell on Poshmark. This is really bad too, but I'm fully disclosing it here. I also have clothes at home in Washington and I'm going home soon, so I'm gonna make a pile of stuff that I'm gonna be bringing back there. Anyways, let's do that. sorted through most of my closet and this is what I have. All of these are gonna be either get rid of or sell on Poshmark. I'll have my Poshmark linked in the description if you want to check that out. And then these are things that I'm gonna be leaving at my house in Washington. I try to go through my closet more frequently than just once a year, so the stacks do get a little smaller. I'm very relieved that I finished doing that. It's a little bit later now, but I just wanted to make sure that the jars were completely clean and dry. Just got back from running some errands and I'm really excited to fill these, which is funny, but I truly am. So let's get a go on it. Guys, I'm kind of shocked. It saved so much space and I think it looks so good. Voila. Look how nice and neat it looks. All right, guys, I think I'm actually gonna be ending off this video right here. Thank you so much for keeping me company while I clean and organize for the new year. It always feels so nice and relieving to know that you sorted through everything and cleaned it out, and I feel like it's the best start to the new year. I hope that this video also motivated you to clean and organize, and if you guys want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments and I would love to do that. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.